Hi, I'm Michael, and I'm here to tell you about step number 2 in achieving creative excellence on search, including 3 or more ad extensions. Ad extensions can come in many forms, and they all provide additional information to your audience. Examples include addresses, phone numbers, or more links to other parts of your site. While the ad extensions you decide to use should depend on your marketing objective, there are 3 extensions that are relevant for all businesses: Sitelink Extensions, Callout Extensions, and structured snippets. Let's start with Sitelink Extensions. Sitelink Extensions are great because they not only make your ad more visible, but they also reduce the number of steps users need to take to connect with your business, which can boost your clicks by up to 20%. Next, let's move on to Callout Extensions. Callout Extensions are extra non-clickable text that communicate what added value your business provides. These are important because they immediately differentiate your business and can also increase your clicks by up to 10%. Lastly, we have structured snippets. These are non-clickable lines of text that allow you to highlight specific aspects of your product or service. Examples of snippets include amenities, brands, styles, or anything else that you see on this list. Now that we've covered which extensions you should use, let's talk about best practices. When creating an ad extension, make sure that you keep content fresh and relevant, watch out for overlap or repetition, and enable all extensions that are relevant for your business. And that's it. If you have any questions about ad extensions, reach out to your account manager or click the link below. Up next, the third and final step to achieve creative excellence: optimizing your ad rotation.